So we did writing processes, and we compared writing processes to the process of growing a flower, because if you think about it, like comparing a beautiful piece of writing to a flower, it doesn't happen in a day. Like, there are multiple processes within growing to make it look beautiful, sound beautiful, smell beautiful, you know, all that stuff. According to the Council of Writing Program Administrators outcome statements, writing processes should be flexible, and they should allow students to be able to finalize a draft, like multiple drafts, so that you can grow not only within yourself, but help others grow.
Writing using composing processes will make a significant change in your paper for the better. For example, composing processes may help a writer generate useful additions to his or her paper. In addition, they could also help make useful withdrawals that do not contribute enough for your paper. Also, having a paper looked at, or having a peer look over your paper can surface many inaccuracies that you yourself may have missed. Processes can even help you target your audience more accurately. Your drafting, revising, and editing skills must be well-rounded in order to accurately complete a composing process. These are tools that are commonly learned during schooling. Multiple skills may be used to complete a single process, and it may take multiple processes to complete a decent paper. Being able to successfully implement the composing processes in your pieces will keep your pieces above others. This will be useful throughout all of schooling and into the career of your choice. Using these processes will add the support your paper needs to reach its full potential.
Examples, there's a bunch of different examples for processes. We use them every day, they're all around us. One good example of a process could be a day book. A day book's an ideal place for imagination, brainstorming ideas, anything that pops in your head. When it comes down to it, your day book is a place where the words in your head come together on paper. If you use it correctly, it can be the first process in your writing. For example, having a thesis statement written down in your day book is an excellent way to start off a prompt. No matter how thick it gets, you have comfort in knowing that it's somewhere inside your paper. Having a day book for rough drafts, revisions, ideas, etc. is a terrific process to include in your writing. Another good example of processes can be peer review. We're often uneasy about the papers you write, doing a presentation in front of a class. Peer review comes into play when you trust someone enough to get feedback from them. Having another set of eyes is an important process in creating a piece of work and editing and revising it. Oftentimes, someone does not realize they need to edit or revise it after they offer some constructive criticism. It just goes to show two heads are better than one. This is our badge, processor. Earning it will give you the prestigious title of processor. We chose this symbol because of the process a flower goes through until its final stage. Having all the utensils tangible and upon your hand is the key, and putting utensils together into processes and having it blossom until its final stage is what our badge symbolizes.
There are a few things you can do to earn our badge. However, one version of the paper alone is not enough. The use of processes is intended to help grow a piece of work into a better, more in detail. Sorry. The use of processes is intended to help grow a piece of work into a better, more in detail final draft. For critical processing, there is no need for a word count for critical processing, there's no need for a word count or font size, but progression is essential. The bottom line is, in order to earn our badge, you must show growth through stages of an idea or piece of work. For example, if you can show an idea growing into a final piece of work through processing like brainstorming and editing, you will earn our badge. However, it does not have to be that complicated. It can simply be a rough draft and a final draft, given you show growth. There are plenty of processes out there to choose from, so feel free to get creative.